Welcome to all. We shall continue with a lecture on instrumentation used in HPLC part 2. The next apparatus used in HPLC instrumentation is the sample injection system. Sample injection system is most often the limiting factor in the precision of liquid chromatography measurement. The importance lies in the reproducibility with which samples can be introduced onto the column packing. The problem is enhanced by band broadening, which accompanies overloading columns. Thus, the volumes used must be minuscule, that is, a few tenths of a microliter to 500 microliters. Furthermore, one should be able to introduce the sample without depressurizing the system. There are mainly three types of sample injection systems which are used in HPLC instrumentation. They are syringe system, stop flow system, and sampling valves. Let us see each of the systems one by one. First of all, syringe injections. Syringe injections are the earliest and the simplest means of sample introduction. The sample is introduced through a self-sealing elastomeric septum. For this purpose, micro syringes designed to withstand pressures up to 1500 psi are used. Unfortunately, the reproducibility of syringe injection is rarely better than 2 to 3% and is often considerably worse. Second type of sample injection system used is the stop flow injection. Stop flow is a second type of syringe injection in which no septum is used. Here the solvent flow is stopped momentarily, a fitting at the column head is removed and the sample is injected directly onto the head of the column packing. After replacing the fitting, the system is again pressurized. The advantage of this technique is its simplicity. The third type of sampling system used are known as the sampling valves. Although syringe injection finds general application because of its convenience, the most widely used sampling devices are now sampling valves or loops. These loops are interchangeable and provides a choice of sample size ranging from 5 to 500 microliters. Sampling loops of this type permit the introduction of samples at pressures up to 7000 psi with a precision of a few tenths percent relative. Microsample injection valves with sampling loops having volumes of 0.5 to 5 microliters are also available. Thank you.